Let's begin by setting up the details for the project. Next, cut out the subject from the background. Follow the process. Convert image to smart object. Duplicate the layer. Add filter. Follow the process. Please subscribe, like and share. Follow us. Group the image layers. Choose the text tool and type the number 3. Let's add the background. Follow the process. Let's change the text color. Follow the process. Let's delete the ball. Follow the process. Select the pen tool. We want to make some more adjustments to the background. Follow the process. Now let's move it below the number 3 layer. Let's change the color of the background and the text. Create a new layer and select the brush tool. Let's add a shadow to our subject. Please subscribe, like and share. Follow us. Let's add some more texts. It's all done. Let's save it. Thanks for watching.